Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel.
In this video, we discuss some advanced ADB cell command. Let's start. First, connect your phone with your PC and then open ADB minimal. The first command for check ADB devices. So my device is connect with my PC. Okay, so let's start with the first command, that input command. So let's see what happened. ADB cell input and then swipe and give the access of our mobile screen, that 100 by 100 and then 500 and 500. It swipe left side, hit enter. You can see that our mobile screen swipe left side. For swipe right side, we just do the opposite, that 500 and then 500 and then 100 and then 100. Hit enter. We can see that our mobile screen go to in right side. Again we go here, we can see again. So for tap the mobile screen apps, for that we use ADB cell input tap and then 500 and then 500. The mobile screen, like the direction where we want to touch. Here we can see that mobile screen, that 500 by 500, it open an app. If we do again, it again open on the app. Okay, now let's come back to again screen, like touch ADB cell 100 into 100. It's open the first app. Enter, open. For close this app, we use normally on the like another coordinate of our mobile screen. I go for 200 and 200. It's closed. Now for 300, let's try what happened. Let's open the 300 and 300. It's open another one. Now again 300 and 300. Let's open an app. Okay. Till now we get that if we type swipe 100 and 500, then that 100 and 500 500 for left, and then 500 500 and 100 100 for right side. Okay, now for swipe up and down in touch screen, for that we use the command ADB cell input and then touch screen and swipe and give the coordinate, that 500 and 500 and 500 and then 100, not 100, that 1000 and 2000. It swipe upward. You can see in the screen. So okay, I gave wrong command, that touch screen swipe left. Here you can see, scroll down, again give the 5000. Let's see what happened. It's slowly, that the last one is for time, that time. If we go for 1000, like 100, let's see, it's too fast. And let's go for 2000 and again hit enter. That last one is for time. This 500 is for our x coordinate and then y coordinate and then x2 coordinate and y2 coordinate. Okay, and this is for our time, for time, how much time we get for scrolling. Now for scroll down, we use opposite coordinate, that 500 and then 2000 and then 500 and 500 and then take time for 500. Here we can see we go down. Now let's go for slow scroll down. We use 100 and then 2000 and then 100 and then 100. Okay, let's see, it's scrolling. Now for mirror our that mobile screen in our PC, we mirror our mobile screen inside our PC and use that mobile screen by using that arrow, that is PC arrow. For that, we first go to web browser. Here we have a link. I give it in my description box. Go to the link and download from there. That how can we download? Let's see. First go to the link, and after go to the link, scroll down, and here we can find for Linux. For Linux we have to run this command. For Windows we have the zip file, and for Mac, the Mac command for install, that screen copy command. Okay, otherwise you can download from that summary. We have that command, and then for Windows we have a zip file, and install it in C drive. After download that zip file, install in C drive, not install that unzip in C drive. For not get error, you have to unzip in C drive. It is safe. Now for start screen copy, we just go to command line. Okay, after unzip this those download folder, that screen copy folder, just type scrcpy. Okay, otherwise you can get those all commands from here only. You can scroll down. Here we can see run. After that, this all commands and features, all these are depend on you. All this command you can run for display that mobile screen in your PC. So I go for not only for a screen copy. Hit enter. You can see that it pop up. Okay, now we can do anything. We can see that here we do here. It's also doing our mobile screen. You can now let's open that file. Let's open for YouTube. You can open, scroll down. It also do in our mobile application.
Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put your queries in our comment box. And check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.